Good day everyone. Welcome to my presentation on using technology to promote deep learning and student engagement. As educators, we are constantly looking for innovative ways to engage our students and promote deep learning. I'll be looking at the benefits of technology. Technology requires students to think creatively and solve problems. It can help students develop a deeper understanding of complex concepts and make learning more fun and interactive. Technology is inherently engaging and motivating. It can increase student focus and interest in the learning process and make learning more enjoyable and fun. Learning should be fun. Technology can make learning enjoyable and reduce stress and anxiety. It's a great way to promote student engagement and motivation. So how can you incorporate technology into your teaching? Using educational apps, creating multimedia presentations, or incorporating video content are just a few ideas. The possibilities are endless. In my conclusion, technology offers a unique opportunity for teachers to promote deep learning, student engagement, and critical thinking. By embracing technology in our teaching, we can make complex concepts more accessible, more fun, and help students develop essential skills. I encourage you to embrace technology in your teaching and see the difference it makes. Let's work together to transform education and make learning more engaging, fun, and effective.